You guys, I would make you a video so you could laugh and piss your pants laughing. Okay, check this pile of junk out. Look, there's Kimmy. She sank about 3 feet since Saturday. And there's little kitty cat. I put him in the drink trying to get Kitty. So what's happening is we were winching it backwards and backing it up, winching it with the skidder because the winch on that quit. I don't know. I think it's just low on oil because we put 10 gallons of oil in the tranny and it came to life. So what did I just say, Jess? I said, there's Jess, help me out. Oh, I got more good news too. So yeah, I said this stuff happens just so we can have fun with videos on YouTube. I don't know. I'm trying to be optimistic. So anyway, I brought the shovel down in. So the shovel didn't start this morning, which it didn't start the other day when the guys went to move it. So we jumped it. It's 24 volts. Quit. Oh, there it goes. So we started it and got it running, and it ran about a half an hour coming down in here. And then anyway, I was knocking limbs out of the way so we could get in here, and I broke a fitting, blew a fitting off of the hose. So went back out to get a hose, and in the meantime it's been shut off for half an hour. Don't start again. So I told Jess, I said, you watch, just some of the beach won't start when we need it. So I just ordered a new battery for it. I just put a battery in it last time I was using it a couple months ago. So anyway, I hand cut those few that are on the hill. That big boy set back on me. There's a power line up there, but it wouldn't hit it anyway, I don't think. I'm going to take one of these with the shovel and heel it and bash that some botch over. So, but isn't this cool? Look at that, huh? That is really, really neat. I'm proud of myself. It took a lot of skill to do that, Jess. I don't know if everybody can see that fine dead pine. That's the pine tree that I was after down there. I hope I just leave it there. It's junk anyway. It's got like 12 foot of scragwood in it. So we get the shovel running. I think I can yank that right out. Oh, Marky's brought the excavator in. Marky's Jess's dad, by the way. You probably don't want to admit that, but yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm only teasing. But so anyway, Marv's up there getting an excavator. We're gonna see if we can get it stuck. I'm gonna get everything I have just bashed down in a heap. I'm gonna light it all. Have a barn fire, toast marshmallows, cook some weenies. All right, Tay's finished. What's that? So we'll have a nice party down here. Yeah, we'll get a keg and some hot dogs. Yeah, that's a good idea. Roll around the mud. So anyway, Tay's over there skidding the last of the wood because he's catching me now because I've been down all day. It's about 4:45 and I'm still screwed. So, oh well. Maybe tomorrow will only be like half of Monday. Ta-ta. Oh, here come Paw. Here come Paw. We gotta jump this thing. That'll be fun. 24 volt, baby. We need some more junk down in here. We need some more shit in here to gather up one 18-inch pine tree. Just got off the phone with the guy. I got a big Pennsylvania game land job. I think we're buying. That'll be good work. Hopefully after breakup. Okay, ta-ta. Okay, one out, one to go. I was going to try and get the video of it. Sorry. It came right out pretty good with the excavator pulling on it. Ay, what a pain in the ass. Oh, the fun never ends. Yeah, this was all freezing up on me Saturday in here. I wanted to get it done, but that didn't work out too good. It's amazing how fast this stuff turns to crap. This will fix easy anyway. Okay.